Okay, so continuing with our arithmetic, we can also use the bar model as one of our strategies. Now, this is going to be used in different ways. The first way you could use this bar model is for a visual way. So 45 plus 25 equals. I'm going to look at my bar model, and I've set this out already. So 45, this is my total at the top. I've got a part here and a part here. So this is bigger. 45 is bigger than 25. So I'm going to put 45 in here. I know the other part of my sum is 25, and that's the smaller part. So I'm going to put it in the smaller part of the bar model. Now, just as we did before, you would use a number line or partitioning to solve the problem. So if we think we've got our tens, 2 plus 4, 6, but it's 20 plus 40, so it would be 60. Then I've also got my ones, 5 plus 5. We should all know 5 plus 5. Then I need to add these two together, and that's quite an easy add because I'm 60 and I'm adding 10. So I know that that equals, well done, 70. And that's just a visual way of seeing my sum. Now, another way you can use the bar model is to help if you had missing number problems. So let's just get rid of this. So if I have a sum and I don't have all the numbers, so I have 45 plus something equals 59. Now I need to find out what my missing number is. Again, we can use the bar model to visualise this. So my total is 59. So I'm going to put my total in the big bar right at the top because that's the whole width of this bar. Now, the biggest number I've got, and the only number I've got actually in my sum, in my calculation, is 45. So I'm going to put 45 in here. And at the moment, we don't know what this number is. So we need to use something called the inverse. Now, lots of us know the inverse, where we turn our jumpers inside out. So it's the same, but opposite. So I'm going to use the inverse here. I'm going to change my colour for my inverse sum. I'm going to take my total, because I know that that's at the top. 59, take away. Now, the only number I've got is 45. So I can only work with that number. 45 equals. Now again, you can use your partitioning. So bar model is there to help you visualise it, but you will still need those other strategies to help you. Partition, 50 take away 40, I know is 10. 9 take away 5, I know is 4. So I'm going to add those together, even though it's a takeaway, I need to find my total. The answer would be 14. So now I know I can get rid of my question mark, and I know that my missing number is 14. And again, you can do the same thing with takeaway. You can use the bar model to visualise the sums and the calculations that you need to find out. Another way, here, we put the total in. I'm going to put the smaller number in this time. Now I need to find this number. Have a think about how you can do this. What strategy will you use to complete this sum? 63 is my total. So I know that's what my equals. I've got 12 in there. Then I've also got a larger number here, and I know it's larger because my rectangle is larger. So what would I use? This is an adding sum, but I need to work it out. I need to use the inverse. Well done. So I'm going to go 63, take away the 12, and find that missing number. Now again, partition, 6 take away 1 is 5, so 60 take away 10 is 50. 3 take away the 2 is 1. And I add those together, and that's my answer. So again, we're going to lose the question mark. And I'm going to put my answer in here. 51 plus 12 equals 63. So have a go, children, with the bar model and see how you get on. Good luck.